In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a password in Salesforce. Whether you've forgotten your password and need to regain access quickly, or you're simply updating for security reasons. Resetting your password in Salesforce is a straightforward process. I'll walk you through each step, making it easy for you to follow along. First, let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or whichever you normally use. In the search bar, type in Salesforce. You should see a list of results populated by your search engine. Look for the official Salesforce website, which is typically listed among the top results. Clicking this will direct you to the Salesforce homepage. Once you're on the Salesforce homepage, your next step is to locate the login page. This is usually found in the top right corner of the web page. Simply click on Login, or whatever the equivalent button is if the interface has been updated or differs slightly. Navigating here will bring you directly to the login page where you can begin the password reset process. As you attempt to log in, focus your attention on the login box. There, you should see an option labeled Forgot Your Password or Forgot Password. Clicking on this link is your gateway to resetting your password, so go ahead and select it. This option is specifically designed for situations when your mind draws a blank on what your password could be. Now that you've clicked the Forgot Password link, you'll need to provide some account information. This typically means entering the username or the email address that's associated with your account. It's crucial to ensure that you input the correct details. Otherwise, the reset process won't be able to locate your account or send you the necessary reset instructions. After you've entered your username or email and submitted it, you should receive an automated email. This email will be sent to the registered email address linked to your Salesforce account. Be patient. Sometimes it takes a minute or two for the email to arrive. Check your inbox, and don't forget to peek into your spam or junk folder in case it accidentally lands there. Inside that email, you'll find a link specifically for password reset purposes. Clicking this link will redirect you to Salesforce's site again, but this time it'll serve to guide you through identity verification and setting up a new password. Complete any verification steps if Salesforce prompts you. These are in place to secure your account and ensure that it's really you requesting this reset. Once verified, you'll have the opportunity to input your new password. Make sure it's a strong one combining letters, numbers, and symbols, but also something you'll remember. And that's it. You have successfully reset your Salesforce password. It's always a good idea to note down your new credentials or use a reliable password manager for future reference. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial made your password reset journey seamless.